welcome to Melbourne University. My name is Young-A Park and I'm studying first year of Doctor of Medicine. I also did my 3 years of bachelor degree, Bachelor of Biomedicine at the Melbourne University as well. The reason why I love Melbourne and the biomedicine course so much is that I got to study with the most brilliant-minded people along the way. They were just as hardworking, just as motivated, and really like who you are. And it was a challenging course, to be honest, but I liked pushing myself harder. And now I am where I am, which was my goal 3 years ago. My major was in human structure and function. I got to have this brilliant opportunity to dissect cadavers, and that was a real experience that I couldn't really have in other universities. First year of medical school is going really great so far. It's only been a few weeks, but I'm loving it. There are a lot of lectures, but the people are amazing again, and I feel that we're going to have the great 4 years and it's going to go by very fast.